and today we are going to be playing Among the Sleep. And if you don't know what Among the Sleep is well, you're a baby and, well, there's this teddy bear with you. I don't even know. I just know a little bit. So that's a new game. Okay. First I need to continue. Let's do this. What is this? Some kind of time warp. Oh, I can see the roof and the walls. But it
Hey,
says
sweetie,
not time warp.
did you finish your drink already?
Yes, I did, and I just broke it. So
Careful.
you're welcome.
It might break.
I think it already broke.
Now it'll only be a minute. Mommy just has to make sure that the cake
Mommy,
is
give me
perfect.
my jaw right now and make it perfect. And stop humming. Your humming is terrible. What did you put that in?
Let's see.
Put in.
There.
Oh no, you didn't put it in the oven.
There.
What did you put it in? The dishwasher?
Perfect.
Do that cake.
Oh, look at
Do
you.
that cake and that
You're
spoon
so
I can stab you
adorable
in
in
the
your
eye.
tiny-footed pajamas.
Give me that
Happy
cake.
birthday, sweetie. Wow,
Okay.
2 years today.
I don't want to eat right now. I want a bowl of bacon.
I think I know a little someone who's ready for some cake.
I'm not ready for a cake right now.
Chugga chugga
Nope.
chugga chugga choo choo.
Don't. Ouch! How'd you fit that in my mouth?
What?
That spoon is
Here it
huge,
comes
and I'm only
through
tiny.
the tunnel. Choo choo.
Haha. Someone's at the door, so you can't feed me.
I'll be right back.
You better be. Or you're dead. Give me the. Whoa.
What are you doing?
What is happening? Was that gunshot? Mother, are you dead? Are you dead, Mother?
No.
Is that my papa?
Hey, you.
I miss him. Why did you let him in, Mother?
Look what I found.
Why did you get at him when you just gave me a birthday
what
present?
it is. Why don't we go upstairs and find out?
I want to finish my cake, actually. Do we? No, I don't want to. No, Mother, no.
My. How much cake did you have?
I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
It depends how much milligrams there was in. How much frosting there was. I don't like your dishes. Mother, there's pixie dust. Mother, there's pixie dust. Mother, there's a black hole now. There's a black hole. There's more pixie dust and more black holes. Mother, stop putting pixie dust right there. No, I don't like it. Mother, shut the door. Shut the door, Mother. Ooh, do that. Do that. Do that.
Here we are. Now let's see what's inside.
Necklace.
Maybe it's a new toy.
What is it? Is it a train? I hate that train over there. What is it?
Okay, sweetie. Be a dear and play for a bit. Mommy will be back.
Elephant. Give me the elephant now, Mother. You know that's my favorite toy. Now give me it. Look at my belly button. Mother. Okay. So let's draw. Okay. Hold left mouse button to pick up objects. Okay. Secret tunnel that my mom never thought of. What was that, Mother? Okay, use space to talk. What's that? No, not that. Something's inside the box. Right there. Right there. I think this might be it. Yeah, I think my mother put in so I can't press him. I want to see what's in here. It's the bear!
Hey, you found me. My name is Teddy. Nice to meet you. Hey, what's your name?
My name's Teddy. My name is Buddy Button Strap.
Not much of a talker yet, eh?
I just talked.
Let's play a game.
Okay. I don't like the sound of that. But what?
I know. I'll hide the pink elephant while you're not looking.
Okay, just let me do this one thing.
Come here. Turn around and cover your eyes.
Ouch. Brother, the chain is right in my hand. Ouch. Oh, so no. Hint. Press it straight button to cover your eyes. And when do I open it? I think I open it now.
There. You can look now.
Oh, okay.
Warmer.
Warmer. So it's somewhere over here.
Colder.
Okay, somewhere over here. Is it in the closet? Why would he
Super warm.
Why would he put it over here?
Super warm.
It has to be in here. Ouch.
Super warm.
It's not in here.
Colder.
There he is.
Super warm.
I found it.
You found it.
Now do I do a turn? Do I do a turn?
Wow. Is that a music box? Does it work?
I don't know. I'll test it out. Ah, Teddy, get away. I never asked you to get in my face. There. How come these clothes are not being messed up? And also, why do I have tiny? How come I have like big socks or even worse socks?
That's a nice melody.
And your nice face.
Try hitting those pins with the bowling ball.
Okay. Ah! Ah! Cheated. That's what babies do. They cheat. But I cheated on my mom. I cheated my test in baby fake school.
What's this?
It's a train.
5 thirsty animals upon a dry, dry hill. We could use a drink, they sang, and started to drill. Unless we reach water with our newly dug well,
Well.
I think we'll have to bid each other fare thee
There's no
well.
well. Are you blind? Are you blind? There's no well. Ah! Teddy, how dare you? Need to leave my foot on the floor. Stop it! Get out of my room!
Does it run? How do you start it?
Started by getting out of my room. Okay, use left mouse button to interact.
Round and round and round.
I step on you.
Hey, pick me up and carry me on your back. I want to show you something.
I don't think I really want to do that, but yeah, I will do
We
that.
need someplace
Thank you,
very
Teddy.
dark. How about your closet?
I mean, that's the number one dark place. I don't even know, but that's the number one dark place in my room. Okay, let's draw.
It has to be darker. Shut the doors completely.
Why am I following the bed's order?
Good. This will do nicely. I hope there are no monsters in here.
What the? I never had boxes in my room. Mother, what time
If
the
you
fuck
ever
on?
feel scared in a
Hey, what do you
dark place
see?
like this, you can hug me tightly. You might feel a little bit safer.
Okay, yes, I might do that. Press F to hide text.
I don't think we're supposed to be here.
Follow the
We must be
ketchup.
careful.
I think it's
I
supposed to
don't
be one.
like this.
Yes. Everybody, on here. I'm gonna leave a place.
Did you hear that?
Yes, I heard that. You said there's no monsters in here.
I think something's coming.
Should I open the door, Steady?
There you are. What are you doing in the closet? Oh, are you playing with your new friend?
Play
Hello,
dead, Teddy.
Mr. Bear. Nice to meet you. How are you today?
Play dead.
You've got to stop hiding from Mommy.
I just hide it from you.
I hope you had a good birthday, hon.
I didn't even get to
Mommy would be very
my cake.
sad
Why
if you
would I have
didn't.
a good birthday when I did finish my cake?
And now it's time for bed.
It's morning. I'm going
If you
to
go
play
to
with
sleep
you
now,
at night.
you can wake
I'll
up
be a
early tomorrow
screwdriver.
and play with your friend all day.
Mother, I'm cold.
Every
This is my
little boy and
pajamas.
girl
I'm
are
cold.
sleeping now, all over the world. And they're waiting just for you. We shouldn't keep them.
Don't you dare
Good
play
night,
that.
hon.
Don't.
Sweet dreams.
Yeah, why am I following the bear's order? It's so weird. Just following a little teddy bear's order all the time. You know I don't like playing. You know I don't like to play your fire. It's my time to go to bed. Teddy. Teddy. Don't be playing tricks on me. Teddy. Teddy! I don't call me mom. Oh no. No, thank you. No, thank you. I'll just walk. Live a normal life without the bed. Ah! How do you open this? Oh. Ready? Teddy!
Thank you. Something's not right. We need to find your mother.
Okay, well, that will be it for today's video, and I'm just gonna do a little quick laundry for my mom. Okay. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification. Bye. I have to pause this. Bye.